Howdy and welcome to jard'slog day 59. Due to some complications in my roommate's schedule, by that I mean he ended up sleeping in past his alarm till 7:50. He has an 8 a.m. and so usually I wait to shower like after he gets up. But essentially he didn't get up till 7:50 today. I woke up at 7 this morning, so I've done nothing. I did nothing for 50 minutes. Showered now it's like 8:20, so I'm really behind schedule. I mean, I'm not gonna be late for anything because my first class is at 9:35. But unfortunately that cuts into my reading time I think a little bit. I mean, I've been I read a little bit before he woke up, but I read my phone. So I'm trying to think. Let's see. I got Diffie Q's this morning. I still, fun fact, have not put up my laundry bag. This is all clean clothes right now. We're doing laundry today. I'm gonna have to just toss all this out, dump it on the floor, go put the other dirty clothes into the washer, and then come back up here and hang up all the clean clothes, because I still haven't done that yet. It's been a week. And then, breakaways tonight. I'll have to go into office hours for physics, I know it for sure already. I don't understand some of it. And, yeah, I gotta start Diffie Q's. Someone pointed out yesterday that our first physics exam is next Thursday. Which is scary to me. And then also I got an email, I don't know if it was this morning or last night, but our Diffie Q's exam is also that same day. So that will make next Thursday a grand old time. But yeah, that's a little update for now. I'm gonna go eat breakfast, read a little bit hopefully. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, I'm back. Just got out of Diffie Q's class. And I realized there's a legitimate possibility that the same day I have my phys exam and my Diffie Q's exam, I could also have my chem exam. So I decided to check the syllabus, and that is indeed the case, meaning next Thursday I will have 3 exams in one day, and that is going to be awful. So that means next Thursday will be my day of reckoning, I guess, because that will be an awful time. But I mean, yeah, that was just the slight update because I just realized that that's happening. So yeah, I'll be back shortly. Alright, it's like 3:45. It's going pretty good. I'm like most of the way through the Diffie Q stuff. I'll need to relearn that big time and practice a lot before that exam because I have a decent grade in there. I forgot to mention he put in the he gave us the exams back and it was out of 90 points and I got 86 of them, so I have that's like a 95 on that exam, so that's really good. So this next one I'm gonna try to do my best on that one too, kind of thing, really grind for it. But I got 2 questions left on the homework. One of them he had never told us how to do, and it's drawing a temperature profile, which I feel isn't too hard, but he hasn't explained it to us yet. And then the other one is, see, a lot of this stuff I think I got right, but I also did a stupid amount of what I call Guerrilla math. And not Guerrilla as in the ace, but as in UE Guerrilla math, where it's you're just gonna grab a bunch of equations and just fuse them together and pray it works. And that's how I usually operate in these kind of classes, and usually I do okay, and I did decent on the first exam using these guerrilla math tactics kind of thing, where I would just grab random equations and just stuff in there and pray something came out right. So yeah, I mean, most of this stuff's doing good. I had to redo a couple calculations because I used Celsius instead of Kelvin, which is okay if you're given both the final and initial temperature, so the change is the same. But if you're solving for a temperature, all the constants are for Kelvin, so it doesn't work. So I had to redo 2 problems because of that. But I'm doing pretty good. But one of them, I'm not using the method I don't think he taught us, he told us to use. So I don't think I'm doing it right. But if I am, then it's also just a thing of just guerrilla math kind of thing. I guess Guerrilla. I think it's Guerrilla. I don't know. It's Guerilla. People know what I'm talking about and make fun of me for it, but it's fine. That's my update for now. I'm gonna go head out and do that. So then after that, it's gonna be back here, do a little bit more homework, and then off the breakaway. So yeah, that's my update for right now. I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm back. It's like 6 o'clock. Finished homework now. We'll finish the FIS homework now. And I'm going to office hours till 5. Then just ended up goofing around in the FIS lounge for a little bit. And then finally I ended up just going out to dinner real quick. And then now I'm going to go to my turn room, work on the FQs a little bit, hopefully get that done. If I can't get that done, that'd be fantastic, because I have to write a thank you letter for a scholarship tomorrow. And then I'm going to I have to do the chem lab as well. So hopefully if I can get DFQs done, that'd be great, because I have to do the lab tomorrow, and then the thank you letter thing, and I'll be good. But I mean, hopefully also tomorrow, let's see, I think there may be booth tomorrow. Maybe, I'm not sure. Someone said something about booth being today, so it may end up being today and tomorrow. I don't remember exactly, but I think me and Keaton are planning on going to get lunch tomorrow. So, you know, we'll see. So, yeah, that's my little update right now. So, I'll be back shortly. It's currently 10:30. Breakaway actually ended up ending at like 10:20 today, which is crazy because it usually ends up running late, not early. So it's a little weird, but yeah, here's a good service. TA definitely knows what he's doing. Very good. I think tomorrow's the last day. Not tomorrow. Next week's the last week for this series of Songs of Solomon, and then it's going on to something else. What it is, I don't know, but it'll probably be interesting. But yeah, that's my little spiel. Tomorrow I got that chem lab. I have to do all of it because I didn't end up starting any of it. Technically I have one question left on the DFQs homework, but I do not know how to solve this at all. And I checked the slide to make sure I had the integral set up right, because I'm like, this integral I don't know how to work. And literally every single answer on there leaves it as an integral, because like it's super hard to make it work. I don't even know if it's possible to solve. So I'm going to talk to someone about that, be like, hey, what the crap do I do here? Because like I started trying to do integration by parts and stuff for the thing algebraically, but it doesn't work because there's 3 parts. And so I started looking online. There's like some double integral crap you can do, but like I definitely haven't learned that, and I definitely don't think we'll ever end up learning that like any of my classes. So it's kind of a little rough there, but you know, it is what it is, kind of thing. But yeah, that's the last update for the day. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll just see you again sometime.